Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, along with additional resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using IOU Financial. IOU Financial is a reliable alternative lending platform specifically designed to provide quick and adaptable financing solutions for small businesses. It caters to entrepreneurs who require working capital rapidly. With a streamlined application and swift funding process, IOU Financial addresses urgent financial requirements efficiently. A key advantage of IOU Financial is its remarkably fast and efficient approval system. Businesses can secure loans of up to $1.5 million, with repayment terms spanning from 6 to 18 months. The application process is entirely online and incredibly straightforward, requiring only a few minutes to complete. Notably, IOU Financial assesses eligibility based on daily or weekly cash flow, rather than relying solely on credit scores. This approach makes it a viable option for businesses generating consistent revenue, even if their credit history isn't perfect. Once approved, funds are typically disbursed within 24 to 48 hours, a crucial benefit for businesses needing immediate access to capital. IOU Financial is particularly well-suited for small and medium-sized enterprises operating in industries characterized by steady cash flow, such as retail, healthcare, and professional services. The platform offers flexible repayment options, including automated daily or weekly payments. This structure allows business owners to manage their financial obligations effectively, avoiding large, lump-sum payments. Aligning repayments with revenue cycles is a significant advantage, especially for businesses experiencing seasonal variations in income. It's important to note that the short-term nature of IOU Financial loans often results in higher interest rates compared to traditional bank loans. Thoroughly evaluating the total borrowing cost and ensuring the repayment schedule aligns with your business's cash flow is crucial. In summary, IOU Financial presents a robust option for businesses seeking rapid, short-term funding solutions tailored to their cash flow patterns. Its streamlined application process, flexible repayment terms, and accessibility make it an attractive choice for entrepreneurs who prioritize speed and convenience. Explore the links in the description to learn more about IOU Financial and assess whether it aligns with your business's specific funding objectives. This review aims to provide the information you need to determine if IOU Financial is the right financing partner for your business needs.